Guys, today I'll be showing you this easy method to add up fractions. You can see here there is a series of fractions. If you use the conventional way to add them up, it will be very time consuming because the numbers are really big. I'll show you how to do it fast. You know that 30 is 5 times 6, 42 6 times 7, 56 7 times 8, 72, 8 times 9. And we can write this into this format. Why is it so? We can verify here. Fifth minus 6 is equals to 30th. It's back to here. Therefore, we can do it for the other fraction in the same format. In here, we can see that we can actually eliminate this. Minus 6 plus 6. And yeah, just eliminate all this. And what we left here is a fifth minus ninth. And the answer is I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye bye.